To perform multi-dimensional imaging such as Z-stacks, tick on the Z-stack option and you'll see the multi-dimensional acquisition Z-stack window opens up. There are two modes for Z-stacking, either first last or center mode. Firstly, to go over first last, we want to turn on a live camera feed of one of the channels that we are interested in. We can then hold down the control key and navigate to the top of our sample and tell it that this is the last slice. Holding control, we can then scroll to the base of our sample and tell it that the first slice. With Z-stacking, you have the option for a range or thickness of the Z-stack, the number of slices, and the step interval between slices. If you hit the optimal button, it will ensure that Nyquist sampling is utilized, whereby it will capture enough Z slices with the correct spacing so that there are no gaps in your image between slices and that you have enough overlap to ensure the Nyquist criterion is met. For this example, to take a 135 micron sample section, we have 40 slices spaced 3.45 microns apart. With Z-stacking, you have the option to perform all channels per slice, whereby it will capture the M-cherry, the GFP, and the DAPI at position 1 or slice 1. It will then move to slice 2 and capture cherry, GFP, and DAPI. Alternatively, selecting full Z-stack per channel will allow you to capture the M-cherry stack completely, and then the GFP stack completely, and then the DAPI stack completely. The full Z-stack per channel is faster if you are moving components such as filter cubes. Instead of using snap, when we capture Z-stacks, we use the start experiment. You can see the slice that we are at increasing through the Z-stack as a visual representation. Once the Z-stack is completed, you can see the split mode. You can see the gallery of the images being captured at the different Z positions. You have an orthogonal viewer where you can adjust the focus of the XY image, either in the XZ or the XY, and you can show the different XY and XZ images by moving the slider on the screen. There is the cut option. There's the 2.5D, a 3D viewer, the profile, histogram, measure, and info tabs. The info tab will show you the slice spacing information and scaling for the Z-stack, as well as all of the filter cube information for your acquisition. If you use the center mode, you can find the middle of your sample in focus or the center of your Z-stack, and you can click the center button to recenter your Z-stack around this current slice, and you can capture the experiment.